What if becoming wealthy isn't about earning more money, but about thinking differently about the money you already have? Billionaires don't necessarily follow a secret formula. They follow simple financial principles with extraordinary consistency. Here are 10 money rules billionaires follow that most people learn too late. Rule number 1. Don't just chase income, build assets. A high salary can make you comfortable, but assets can make you wealthy. Businesses, stocks, real estate, intellectual property, and other productive assets can potentially generate value long after you've finished working for the day. The wealthy don't ask only, "How much do I earn?" They ask, "How much of my money is working for me?" Rule number 2. Protect your downside. Wealth isn't only about making money. It's about not losing what you've already built. Successful investors understand risk. They diversify, avoid unnecessary debt, maintain liquidity, and don't bet everything on one opportunity. Because recovering from a major financial loss can take far longer than creating the original wealth. Rule number 3. Think in decades, not days. Most people want immediate results. The wealthy often think differently. They understand the power of compounding, where returns can generate additional returns over time. A small financial decision repeated for decades can become dramatically more important than one big decision made once. Rule number 4. Buy time, not just things. One of the most valuable luxuries money can provide isn't another expensive car. It's freedom. Money can potentially buy convenience, outsource repetitive tasks, and create more time for business, family, learning, and strategic decisions. The goal isn't simply to look rich. It's to become less dependent on trading every hour for income. Rule number 5. Learn before you invest. The wealthy don't blindly follow hype. Before putting serious money into an opportunity, they study the business, understand the risks, examine the numbers, and consider what could go wrong. Because financial confidence without financial knowledge can become expensive. Rule number 6. Control lifestyle inflation. Making more money doesn't automatically make you richer. If your income doubles but your expenses triple, your financial position may actually become weaker. Wealthy people can spend heavily, but sustainable wealth requires knowing the difference between what you can afford and what you should afford. Rule number 7. Focus on ownership. Employees usually earn from their labor. Owners can potentially benefit from the growth of an asset. That's why ownership is such a powerful wealth-building concept. Owning part of a business, investment portfolio, or income-producing asset can give you exposure to long-term growth. Rule number 8. Use debt carefully. Debt isn't automatically good or bad. The wealthy understand the difference between debt that can help acquire productive assets and debt that simply finances consumption. Borrowing to buy something that loses value can create a financial burden. Borrowing responsibly for a potentially productive investment is a completely different calculation. The key is understanding the risk, not simply taking the loan. Rule number 9. Your financial decisions matter more than your financial image. A luxury lifestyle can look impressive online while hiding serious financial problems. Real wealth is often invisible. It's the emergency fund you don't show. The investments nobody sees. The business equity nobody knows you own. The debt you chose not to take. Don't spend money trying to look wealthy. Build wealth that doesn't need to be displayed. And rule number 10. Make money a tool, not the goal. Money can provide options. It can give you the ability to invest, create businesses, support people you care about, and control more of your time. But if earning more becomes the only objective, there's always another number to chase. The real objective is financial freedom, having enough resources and flexibility to make decisions based on what matters to you, rather than being controlled by your next paycheck. So remember: earn, own, invest, protect, compound. You don't need to become a billionaire to benefit from billionaire principles. Because the biggest financial advantage isn't knowing a secret. It's starting early, staying disciplined, and letting smart decisions compound over time. The money you manage today could determine the freedom you have tomorrow.